Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about how to enhance our legal knowledge that pertains to 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB of Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Everybody has a interest to grow and everybody has a interest to gain knowledge. But thing is that earlier years we do not have much sufficient materials were not there, but in this scenario we can have plenty of online materials, offline materials we have to enhance our legal knowledge. So I will give today one brief about how to gain legal knowledge, especially for 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB. Once we get into the LLB course, we have to study very eagerly. If we have eagerness to enhance our knowledge, obviously we can grow in LLB field. So that is the reason it is very important that everybody students has a lean to learn the things. So in online there are plenty of materials are available to studies. Like you can uh, download the app like Live Loss update also you can able to download it from the Play Stores in your mobile, and there are plenty of notes also available in the Google, as well as some many apps are available in the internet. So even we have to study labor law books, we have to study, there are many law books, we can have a study about bare acts. Each individual acts will be called as bare acts. Bare acts we can get it from different sources from the internet as well. Some of the apps are available in the Google, we can download the apps. Live Labs I told, and dictionary also it is available. Legal dictionary also is available. Overall studying LLB, that is mandatory download app legal dictionary, so that if you face any difficult legal points means we can able to search that word. If you particularly put into that word, you will get in English or Kannada, you will get the meaning of judicial word. So that is the reason we have to enhance knowledge different sources. All of them are busy with social media, but I don't say that you should not do watch social media. We have, yesterday I spoke about time management, how to utilize time in LLB during studying LLB course. So time is precious, all of them are knowing about time. If time gone, that won't come again that time. So in the, especially for KSLU 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students, my advice is to please utilize the time properly, then only you can able to score in the examination. Otherwise many of the students are failed due to not maintained time management, and they have not properly studied for the course especially. So anyhow you will have a syllabus from the university, and anyhow you are attending the classes, you have to keenly study about law. There will be huge sources in internet we can get. So in internet also some false informations also available. Please check properly whether it is right or not. Please justify it yourself, then only you will come to know what is right and what is wrong. So it doesn't mean that everything it is correct and true, but some of the accurate data sometimes may not available, but we have to find ourselves what is required, what is not required. We have to extract from those materials. As per my knowledge, you have to prepare for your own notes. Anyhow, you will have a 5 to 6 years of previous question papers, so that if you get downloaded those question papers, for each questions you have to prepare for yourself notes. So that is the Bible. You can able to study well in the examinations. Otherwise, it is very difficult to pass. I am again and again always stressing about examinations, how to pass the LLB examination, how to score LLB examination, how to overcome your failures in the LLB subjects. I have given plenty of videos. Please, this is meant for LLB students channel. Please do subscribe my channel so that you can benefit of those videos. If you watch my videos, you will come to know what is LLB and what are the subjects in that LLB, and how to write for your examination, how to prepare for your examinations, how to manage the time effectively in your examination, how to manage the time during LLB course, what are all the good habits to be adopted in our LLB life. There are so many, around more than 100 videos I have given for LLB students. Please utilize this channel and make success, because success is not easy, but we have to fight for the right things. And this is how we have to gain the knowledge. There are many apps are available, offline apps are available in the Google. You can search and download as much as required for your studies. And please be avoid social media sometime, because every time if you are into Facebook, if you are into Instagram, if you are into means, it is very difficult to pass your examinations. My advice is to please maintain time for good things in LLB. That too during 3 years and during 5 years LLB course, we have to most of the times we have to concentrate on our studies. Then only we can able to pass and you can able to score very easily. This is how we have studied in the LLB examinations. LLB is it's not easy and not difficult also. How we take it and how we are preparing and how we are pre-planning for the studies and how we prepared for our notes and how we have studied about case laws and illustrations. That is how it is. So please don't be afraid of LLB course. LLB course is a good course. If you everybody knows law is a supreme. If you learn the law, your life will be supreme always. So you will have plenty of opportunities after completion of your LLB. So that is the reason I am stressing always you students, please be concentrated on your studies. Time is precious. Don't waste time. And if you well educated, if you complete your LLB course, you will have a very good dignity in the society, that you have to maintain it. All the best for your exams, upcoming examinations. You can watch my videos, you will get motivated yourself about your studies. Without motivation we cannot do anything. Motivation is required. That is the reason I have kept my channel name LLB Coach and Motivational Speaker. I am motivating every students at KSLU to get pass and score good marks in their LLB examinations. I will do much efforts as much as possible every day. I have to get new things and updating each day. That is my intention. I have to grow and you have to grow yourself, and you have to stand on your own feet. Thank you very much.